Are you tired of losing out on your home? In hot real estate markets, having a solid strategy matters. One powerful strategy is a mortgage pre-approval. It demonstrates your financial credibility to sellers. A mortgage pre-approval shows lenders have vetted your finances and are ready to offer a loan. This gives you an edge when making offers on homes. Here's why pre-approval strengthens your position. It signals serious intent, reducing seller risk, and can help accelerate closing times. Start by gathering your financial documents. Check your credit score and set a realistic budget. Then, get pre-approved by a reputable lender. Always include this letter with your offers to showcase your readiness. Remember, not all pre-approvals carry the same weight. Choose an established lender to boost your credibility. If you find yourself with a weak pre-approval, consider improving your financial profile or seeking alternative loan programs. Get started today and turn your homeownership goals into reality.